guys, welcome back to my channel. Here with my sister, aka Big Teeth, a joke, Shami. So I'm going to be attempting to straighten all of this here today. Alright, okay. She kind of did a rough thing. She washed it, you know, so it's completely clean. So I'm going to attempt to do this. Listen, she have the head at ear where it's bust your chest ear. Alright, like I'm basically just going to start off by blow drying the hair, you know. So I'm going to section it, and she kind of went through it already with the blow dryer. So as you can see, it's looking blown out, but I'm just gonna go back in because I really listen, I tried to, the last time I tried or I attempted to blow dry this or straighten this girl's hair like 5 years ago, it was a total fail. So yeah, honestly, I always a style wigs and stuff, but listen, this hair, this head of hair, for me at least, it's a challenge. So today, I'm gonna try at this one more time. Since I spent so much time perfecting wigs, let's try to perfect this. Whatever this is. So the blow dryer that I'm using for this is my Blackbird Conair Pro. Your ear having eye, man. So yeah, do after this. I go on a date. This was always a struggle, the roots. I'm past halfway attempting to straighten her hair now. This definitely isn't bone straight so far. I thought I could do it like bone straight. Let me just clarify, by the way, this is not a tutorial. This is more like a challenge right now for me, to be very honest. Listen, Shami era bust my chest, like, no man, as in she really wanted me to she wanted it to just be clipped. It's not really about straightening. So if you guys are gonna be like, oh, she should go to a professional, like, yeah, so it wasn't like a big deal.
The ends were like damaged.
Yeah, the ends split up. And yes, I'm doing the chasing method, the comb first, and then I let the flat iron follow. So if you guys are gonna say, so you shouldn't chase it, it wouldn't come out bone straight. Listen.
Because I know how hairdressers can be. They will chop off the whole of your hair and then to the ends will
they will chop it off from up here, so.
Here, so.
Shall me come up with a bob? So she said to be on a safe side. No man. Plus, Ronnie still look like kinky straight here as I told. Listen, what did I get myself into? Listen, is a little piece leave, guys? I'ma feel like it's a whole lot leave. Like, no man, me nah do this again. I would not attempt doing this again, guys, ever. I'm about my curls and not about straightening the natural hair. Don't look back for me again when you want to do this whole clipping process. Mommy just usually like blow dry it and clip it. Alright guys, may I check on the back when I'm complete. Alright?
This is a whole, what you call it? I like it very much.
Alright, so let me just speed through this portion. Just gonna do simple summer babe type of makeup, just something very simple. The focus was really for me to attempt to straighten her hair, and you see that it was a fail even though she likes it. This isn't what I was going for. I don't know, probably I was supposed to use a specific specific type of product in there.
Probably
I don't
was a
know.
flat iron.
Probably it was a flat iron. Yeah, I feel like I really need a smaller flat iron if I'm going to tackle natural hair. But say it go.
Nobody shape it, man. Me and make it grow.
Me I look for thick brow. Oh gosh, I mean your ear, my back stressed out.
I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me. When you don't talk to me, yeah. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore.
Why you have to be like? What are you doing?
I don't know why, but I can't seem to get you off my mind, and I know it's true.
So look at the hair. Well, Mr. just straight. Like this is a joke. The hair is reverting, guys. She's just gonna rock it as is, and this lippy is popping. If you notice, I don't line most of the Gaia lippies because I don't know what they do to these formulas, but they actually are so wearable on their own. So this lippy really added to that summery type of, you know, vibe. And you know, to save this whole challenge that I went through with the hair, you know, I had to do this little glam to balance things out. The name of the lippy that I use is Gai, G-A-I-G-A-I. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, give it a thumb up, and you know, as always, leave your suggestions down below for other video ideas. And yeah, that's it.
Until next time, bye.
That was like you nice.
This one me nice.
What?